Okie dokie. Now, if you're here to see how to hang a ComiLED light, you're in the right spot. This light right here, it does a nightlight edition, as you see right above me. And if you turn it off and turn it back on, you've got the bright light edition number 2. All in one, son. Now, you might be wondering, it's too good to be true. No, sir. Not at all. I'm going to show you guys a very cool... Here is the light that I'm actually going to be working on. I'm going to be tearing out this light and building a frame right here, a wooden frame, so that I can actually transport the wires that are used to wire this, which is nothing too special. This is all it is right here, okay? There's this wire that comes in, and then there's these a black and a white that comes out. So there's a black and a white that comes in, and a black and a white that goes out to here. So I'm just gonna disconnect all of this, okay? So I'll be turning off the power, removing the light bulb, and then pulling those screws out right here, okay? Right here and right here. And then this light fixture will come right out. I'll lefty-loosey on these wire nuts, lefty-loosey, and then these will disconnect from those. The whites are together, the blacks are together. We'll disconnect them. I'll keep this wire here, and I'll remove this section and through. Okay, removing all of this and removing the wires that come from here. So all I'm gonna be doing is keeping this and then building a wooden frame right here, okay? I'll build a wooden frame. And then I'll run those wires, okay, the wire that I keep, I'll run it through this hole into my new framing right here, and we'll wire that. You can see how that'll all be wired inside that. So, well, you probably can't visualize that yet, but that's why I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So give me a second to take those wire nuts off and to remove the screws that are holding this light in place that we discussed, okay? Right up there. Here's the situation currently. I have taken out the screws and I am gonna be chopping this wire now, okay? Just right here, just like this. Okay. Now that I have chopped that wire right there, above, you can see is this portion, okay? The power is turned off, so I can go ahead and pull that out, and now we have this wire to connect to. So I'm gonna remove the nuts. So you can see after removing the wire nuts, the black was on the black, pigtail was on that one, okay? And the white one though was connected to a black one. So I had to turn the power on to see which one's actually hot. So the power is back on. It looks like this black one here is hot. Let's see if this one's hot. It looks like that one's gonna be testing hot also. They're both hot. No? Okay, the black one's not hot. The white one's hot, okay? So this is actually the hot wire with the white and black is hot and the black, so that's all reversed, but who knows? That's how they wired things back in the day, that's why we're checking. This is the neutral wire, okay? Let's touch it. That's the neutral wire, okay? This is the hot wire. Neutral, hot. So I'm gonna connect the black to this black, and this black is actually a white. So here's what I've got. I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you guys, starting with the wood. This whole project is done. I'm just gonna show you guys how it all goes together before I snap all the pieces in place, okay? And before I button it up. Let's start here at the top, okay? So at the top, we found our hot wire, which is this bottom wire right here. So that'd be your black wire. This one is the neutral. So that second wire right there, it's not hot. It'd be your neutral wire, and it'd be a white wire, okay? In my case, they're both black. But this hot one, black, this second one, neutral. It's a 2-wire system, not a 3-wire system. Now you'd have a ground also. If you have a ground also, then you would put grounds together, blacks together, and whites together and put a wire nut, wire nut, wire nut. In my case, just black and just white. Black to black, white to white, and then I threw the ground in with the whites. So because it's a 2-wire system going to a 3-wire system, we still want our ground grounded. A neutral is a ground, it's tied into the ground bar, basically. In a 3-wire system, we have a ground bar and a neutral bar, but here it is, ground is your neutral, so we put the ground and the neutral together here in the 2-wire system. I wanna make that clear. Hot, black to black. White, white, ground, okay? you would do ground, ground, white, white, black, black, 3 wire nuts, or 2 wire system, 2 wire nuts. This is how it goes. Coming down through the hole, okay? It comes down through that hole right here. The wire comes through that hole and around with a little service loop. It has some staples. It comes down right here, okay? It goes down, down, down into the switch box. So the first wire goes from that old one, goes down, 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 down to the switch box. I've put the whites together of the, where's that second wire is just another short wire from right here, and that wire runs up. It runs up, 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 over, stapled around, over to this light right here. This light is from, I'll put the links in the description below. I don't want to say all this stuff wrong. But anyway, here is the part I'm going to be using. And matter of fact, this is actually probably the coolest light that I've ever gotten. So thank you guys for sending me this. Like I said, I'll put this link in the description below. This light is so cool. I've seen it online before, but it does in person. It's super cool. So you guys are going to want to get you one of these, or get you like 50 of these. Okay. So anyway, that second wire running from the switch. So we went over the first one, comes down from up here. The second one comes out from right here at this little box, which I put into a piece of wood. I'll go over the framing here after a while. This is mainly about the lights. So that second wire comes from right here, from this box. It goes up, 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 over and over and around this box. Okay, I'll move it over. So it goes around like that, and it goes into the box. You can see right there, there's a little clamp that clamps the wire, so that there's no wires exposed out here. This yellow jacket is clamped inside there with a clamp, okay? And those are removed by putting your screwdriver in right here and breaking that loose, so you can put in this little deal, and that is tightened down with this little thing right here. You just push that and tighten it down like righty-tighty, and it clamps that down, and then you screw the screws in so you can hold your wire and clamp it in like that, okay? So now that your wire's inside this box, from up here, it goes whoosh, to the switch, from the switch, up and over, into here, clamps inside, and now what do we have? We have 3 wires, okay? Now we went from an old 2-wire system to a 3-wire system. Once again, I have black to black, white to white, and ground to white. So I've put the ground and the whites together. So I have 2 wire nuts. You're gonna have 3, and unless you have a 2-wire system too. Then even though you have 3 wires, you're just gonna have 2 wire nuts, okay? So grounds and whites together. That way you're grounded into the ground bar, and you're not triggering any signals of not being grounded and such. Now you have this wire nut on the blacks, black to black. That's your hot, okay? Now that that's all done, you're literally just gonna take this and you're gonna shove it in there like that. And you're gonna take this and you're gonna shove it in here like this, okay? And get those in there. And then you're gonna close all that up in there, okay? Just like that. Now everything is safe and everything is secure, okay? Now all this is a little piece right here, okay? This lefty-loosey, like that, and this pulls apart just like that. So that's all that is. And this box is put together with that screw right there and that screw right there. You can see how those screws go in, and then the box clips on and you tighten it up like that, okay? That's how the wires go, and then you shut it all up like that. And this little rig, it comes like this, and it's just hanging like that. Well, you take this other portion, and it has these clamps, okay? So you're gonna need to cut a hole out. So I cut my hole out, you see? That's what I did. I drew a big circle, and then I cut another circle inside it so that that light can fit in there like that. And it has these little wings. Oh, guys. I don't want to break this brand new light, but here is what it does, okay? It just literally clamps in there like this, okay? I'm gonna pull it out like that, and that's all it is. So you cut the hole, and then you clamp it in place, just like I had it, just like this. You put one clamp on. I'm not gonna do this with one hand because I just took it apart with one hand. It's that easy, guys. Cut your hole out just like I did there, like I showed you. I cut out the hole, and then I had drawn another hole like this so that this can fit in there, and you've seen how it looked once it was in there. Now I've taken it out, and it's just together. It goes like this, and you plug it in right here. You literally just plug it in right there, and then you righty-tighty and tighten that back down like that, and then that's it. So let me show you guys that in 1 second. Let me pause you for a second. Okay, I put it back in place just by righty-tightying back this on, okay? So we went over that. We went over how the wires go from up here It comes down, 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 and around to the switch. From the switch, back up over here to the light. Inside, clamps in there, and then you just righty-tighty this, and you have a light now after cutting your hole and clamping it in place. Now, you can see I'll raise the roof up like this. Like that. And then, how do you hook up the switch, okay? Well, the whites, you're tucking back in the back of the box in a wire nut. The grounds, you're twisting them together with one a little bit longer than the others. You can see how that one, you twist them together, it's a little bit shorter. Well, this second one right here, I've looped around there. Same thing if you had three, make them a little bit shorter with one hanging out right there. Now you've got that on the ground screw, okay? So the whites tucked in the back of the box, grounds on the ground screw, okay? And then the blacks are right here. You've got one right there and one right there. You can see how they're hooked over and they're just in the right way. You want them going this way, righty-tighty, around that way. This one this way, righty-tighty, around that way, okay? You can see black, black, white there, ground there. One comes from here, goes down here, one from here to there, and this and that, and this and this, comes around here and over to that, and then it comes down just like this, and then we're raising the roof up and we're gonna turn the power on. All right, let's go ahead and turn the power on. So now we're gonna turn the power on right here. Power is on, okay? This light is on, you can see. These are on the same breaker, so I have that light. Now let's see if this switch works. Oh, it does. Now watch, this is so cool. Look at that. Now you guys will have to wait until nighttime. I'm going to show you guys a nighttime video of this, but let me go ahead and raise the roof up right now, and then I'll put that switch cover on, because we have to now put this screw into there and this screw into there, and then I have to put this face cover on with those two screws, okay? And I'll see you guys right back in a second once I screw this, raise the roof up and put on all the kits here. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint this white, and I will see you guys back shortly. I'm gonna throw some tape, some electrical tape up here and make that safer, make all of this clean and neat and nice and neat. I'm even gonna get the trash out of the sink. These are all the tools that I was using. Had to use these things, some of these things. I have a pre-drill hole there, 3-inch screws, some of the electrical tools that I was using. Here's some other things I had to use. This right here, okay? Didn't need that today, but anyway, so see you in a second. I just turned off the power and forgot to mention that the settings right here, the setting is right here to make it as bright as you can make it, which is bright or not bright, like that. That's how you make it brighter or not as bright, okay? And it's up to you, but it has a nighttime setting, okay? That nighttime setting is that secondary. I'll show you how that works in a second. Let me get this painted and finished. All right, come on in, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Here's what I have right here. You can see there is another light. As I promised, I was gonna show you guys what it looked like at night. Well, I'm just gonna show you guys here at my personal house. I went ahead and put the same exact light. Super cool light here in my bathroom. I had an old bathroom LED light right here that was the same size, and it was going bad. So I put this one right here in, and you can see I taped it all around. I'm just showing you another way you can do this. This is how easy this is. Just cut you a hole up in the attic right there. The wire comes down, black goes to black, white goes to white, ground goes to ground, and I put it inside this clamp again. Once again, I clamped that in there and did all that in there. And then it connects here, just the same, and here it is on the nightlight setting. Here is the actual brand. Sorry, I know it's kind of, but there it is. Okay, but anyway, I'm putting the link for this light in the description below. Remember to go ahead and buy like 100 of these things because they're super cool. And I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like officially here in my own house in my shower. I'm gonna clean my screen and try to get you a better shot. But anyway, this is how easy that is. I taped it, completely taped it all the way around, tops, bottom, sides, clamped the wire inside, hooked it all up and everything, and it's all good to go. Now all I'm literally gonna do is shove it up inside the attic. Okay. Oh. That was just, what is that? Okay, so no need to fear, I am here, and that has slipped off. So I'm gonna put that back on there. It just slips right back on like that. No big deal. I gotta push it a little bit harder, just like that, and it's clamped in place. You heard it click, there it is, okay? Fancy. I love it, guys. All right, I'm gonna put this light back in place now that I have figured that issue out. And this, all I'm gonna do is shove it up in the hole. And there's the setting. So if you want bright or not bright, sorry, let me show you guys how this actually works. So here's the switch right here, okay? And you can see if you turn the switch off, it'll go off. And if you turn it back on, that's on the bright setting, okay? But if I turn it off, you have to let it go completely off and then turn it back on, and it's on the nightlight setting. I'll show you that, guys, here back in a second. But here it is. Once again, I'm gonna keep it on this setting where I can, oh crap, where I can show you guys, there's the different settings, okay? See, I like the brightest one, so I'm gonna put it on the brightest one right there, and then I'm gonna shove it back up inside the attic. Oh, gosh, this would be a lot easier to do with somebody else. All right, we're shoving it up in the attic. I need to get me a helper. Just to hold my camera. My daughter's almost old enough, but I don't want to put that burden on her. All right, here is this. We're shoving that in there. And the tripod, it never gets close enough, so it's super annoying. But anyway, that's how easy that is. I literally just showed you guys. I did it one-handed. It's clamped up in there. I even knocked the blue thing off. And here's the switch again. Once again, right there, I've turned it off. I've turned it on. It's on the nightlight setting. I've turned it off. I've turned it on. And there you have it. Just saying, I don't know. That's pretty freaking awesome. And I don't know what's going on in there. Wait. Is there something happening? No. What's going on in here? Do you like that shower light? Do you think that shower light's going to be suitable? In Fort Walton, Destin, Fort Walton. Majestic. Sunsets out here.
Huh? Stop it.
Right there it is. Majestic sunsets. Don't move your legs, Jimmy.
Let's go over there. See what happened. In front of it, Dad.
Oh,
Let's see.
We split that wood and yap, my friends.
Woo!
Hey, yay!
Yeah.
Jimmy didn't move like I told him to.
It's a girl, Dave.